Hey, what's up, fam? Today, I'm gonna show you how to cook the perfect steak. Now, how I like to make it: pan sear it, finish it in the oven, bring it out, let it rest a little bit, and then you'll be in the game. Now, we gotta go down to the workstation. Hey, we gotta get this steak prepared so we can get it in that pan, sear it up, and then put it in the oven. And then you'll be in the game with the absolutely delicious, tender, juicy, flavorful steak. Hey, let's get in the game. Hey fam, this is what I'm working with. I'm working with 2 ribeyes, a pound each. I picked these up from Walmart. Hey, these the USDA choice Angus beef. Now I don't want to break the bank, but you know what I'm saying, we want to make something delicious, right? So save a little bit of money. Hey, you got a little bit of marbling on it, so you'll still be in the game. All right, so we're gonna prep these ribeyes. We're gonna go in with a little bit of olive oil, and this is just gonna be used for a binder. You don't need much, you just need some just to coat the steak. And then we're gonna go in with some kosher salt, and this is coarse ground. And then we're gonna go in with some onion powder. And you don't want to go heavy on the onion powder, you just want to get a nice little dusting. Then we're gonna hit it with some garlic powder. And then for some color, we're going to end it with some paprika. Now I'm going to hold off on the pepper because the pepper will burn on you in the searing process. And then we'll pat this on like so. And then we'll do the other side. I like to heat my pan up while my oven's coming up to temp. I got my oven sitting at 400 degrees, and you can see, hey, it's ready to go. So my pan is good and hot. I added some oil to it, and then we're gonna get this in this pan. So we're gonna let these steaks get a nice sear. We're gonna let these roll 3 minutes on each side before we go to the next step. We're gonna be in the game. Now, after you get a nice little sear on the front side of this, it should release nice and easy. Hey, like so. Flip it on the other side, and then we'll let this go for an additional 3 minutes. And while it's searing on this side, I'm gonna add some pepper. And the reason why I didn't want to add the pepper in the first step, like I said, I didn't want it to burn. All right, fam, so when we're about 2 minutes in, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and add me some butter to this pan, because now we're gonna get this ready to finish in the oven. I got me some sage. Then I also got me some rosemary. Now this butter is gonna kind of cool this pan a little bit, and then it's gonna infuse into these herbs, and it's gonna give it a nice little flavor. I'm also add some pressed garlic, and then at this time, we'll just take our butter, and then we'll start basting. And then we'll throw this in the oven, and we'll let this finish, and fam, it's smelling absolutely delicious, fam. Hey, we've been going for about 4 minutes. And take a look at this right here. Hey, yes sir, it's smelling good and it's looking good. Fam, we in the game. All right, fam, so we got these out the oven and they look good, they smell good. So what we want to do is we want to get it over so it can rest. Yes, sir. Let it infuse that flavor. We're gonna let this rest, fam, and you in the game. Hey, it's looking absolutely delicious, fam. So what you want to do is you want to always make sure you're cutting against the grain. So wherever the grain's running, that's where you want to cut against it. So if you see here, grains running like that, so we're gonna come and then we're gonna slice the steak. And then fam, there you have it. You are in the game. All right, fam, there you have it. You got your absolutely delicious pan seared, then finish in the oven ribeye steak. Hey, we in the game. Now, a steak cooked right don't need no steak sauce. All you just get is that little bit of juice that's been sitting in those herbs and whatnot. Hey, we in the game. Cheers, fam. Hey, it's nice, it's tender, it's flavorful. Yes, sir, we in the game. And it's melting your mouth too. Yes, sir, you in the game. Hey, I want to give a shout out to my boy Tovo803. Hey, fam, thank you so much for getting me started on this YouTube journey. Hey, we at 18,000 subscribers. Shout out to my Focus fam. Thank you guys so much. And you already know we got so much more to do in 2025. Thank you for rolling with me. Now, if you found value in this content and you're new to my channel, hey, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and then share with your family and friends and let them know Cooking with Manual Focus. Hey, got you in the game. And I'll see you guys later because I'm about to smash into this ribeye. Peace.